niguo maundu marahanaga hwai wa ira University ya Nairobi mwena wa Kabete. Kuri arutwo aya mararũrũnganire maiyũirwo ni matukuya na kuga cigana ni cigana na undu uyu uratuma mathomo matharare. Arutwo aya marendaga Vice Chancellor wa cukuru uyu Professor Peter Mbithi atige wira thutha wa makiria ma arutwo 26 kugurario ni borithi aria kurerikana ni marahuthirire hinya mukiru kuri arutwo. Kiroko gia gukio muthi kuma o kaihuna kwao o mundu na mbega ciake erekeire mucii thutha wa arutwo aya kwamurithio mainuke na ihenya ta uria kwahoteka. Matari na gikeno gia kwirwo mainuke hinahi arutwo matiganite mauma na mawoni matiganite.
Mbithi is running this school without even consulting anyone. It's a one man game. Yeye anafanya kazi yake mwenyewe, anaamka asubuhi tunasikia mic watu waende.
Na wengine walikuwa wanalala, wengine hawakuwa wamejitayarisha, pengine mtu hajapigia mzazi ampatie nauli ya kuenda. So wengine tuenda mbali kama mimi natoka Tana River, so hata rally siwezi book saizi paka kesho.
Kiama kiria kirugamagirira arutwo gia SONU nikiugite ati utongoria Vice Chancellor Professor Peter Mbithi ti wa kwihokeka.
We condemn the University of Nairobi's Vice Chancellor, Professor Peter Mbithi, for his actions of arbitrarily closing the University of Nairobi. The only reason he closed the University of Nairobi is because comrades have decided that today will be his last day in office.
We are telling Professor Mbithi that the last day in the University of Nairobi was yesterday. If he's trying to use the immunity of the government to protect himself, comrades are not politically affiliated, comrades have no tribe, comrades have no religion. So we will stay strong till the end.
Gutiramenyeka kuhigwo kwa university no guikara kwa ihinda rigana atia kuona ati kuhigwo guku guthie na mbere na kuhotomia mathomo kuri arutwo aya. Mateta mari arutwo aya mari namo ni ati matinakorwo makiunanira njung'wa kana guikario thi niguo makorwo magitaririo gitumi gia kwirwo mainuke na ihenya ta uria kwahoteka. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni Njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.